Guys, good morning. So after a long time, I'm coming out with my new vlog. I'm going to show you the chicken gizzard that I'm cooking today. So this is it. This is the chicken gizzard. I have like putting the other ingredients like the tomato, the green chili, or ginger, and this garlic dust. So after like I properly make it dry, I'll make it a few amount of water, and then I'll make it dry again. Fried rice again. My combination like the tiffin for today is fried rice along with this chicken gizzard. It's going to be ready like tasty. तो ये जो chicken gizzard का boil किया तो इसका पानी दिया अभी. So and then like I will make it completely dry after this. It needs to be dry completely. Like half of this garlic and ginger paste. I will apply this at the end. जो सब्जी उठावन टाइम दारो लास्ट एक बार ढाली देबो आगे दुई ढाली छे उलबे आरो लास्ट एक बार ढाली देबो. So I'm done with packing my tiffin. This is my chicken gizzard. This is my fried rice. Okay, so I'll see you next time, guys. Tata, bye.